Dear students of class 11, good morning all of you. I, Mr. Radhesham Singh, Physics teacher, I am going to teach you application of dimension formula. There are three different uses of dimension formula I have taught you. First is your conversion of one system unit to another system of units. Understood? You know, जैसा कि आप जानते हो कि किसी मेजरमेंट में जो न्यूमेरिक वैल्यू होती है वह यूनिट के ऑलवेज रेसिप्रोकल होती है। According to that process, that rule you can tell or that result. Suppose any system measurement, the numeric value is n1 and their unit is u1, then n1 is universally proportional to u1 or n1 u1 is equal to constant, and we want to change it another system of units. In that system, if the numeric value comes n2 and their unit is u2, then n2 is inversely proportional to u2. Then n2 u2 is equal to k. Now you are looking from equation first and second, both equation is equal because our measurement is same. I have measured same physical quantity but in different types of units. Then according to first and second equation, n1 u1 is equal to n2 u2. If for u1 units the value of different physical quantities are mass m1 time t1 and length L. Another system unit, mass m2, time t2 and length is L2. If the dimension of this physical quantity m a t b s c, then according to our measuring value, the value of the measurement of in first unit m1 to dimension a t1 dimension b L1 dimension C in another unit N2, M2, A, T2, B, L2, C. Then value of numeric value of another system unit N2 is equal to N1 M1 by M2 A T1 by T2 B L1 by L2 C. Okay. With the help of this formula, we can convert one system unit to another system unit. For example, we have given a question. The value of G acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. If you want to measure length in centimeter and time in minute, then what is the numeric value of G? Now we are looking here. The measurement is G. Its dimension formula will be L2 ELT minus 2. Dimension formula of G will be ELT minus 2. Then we have required only two physical quantity in this case for G. Then finding the value of N2, this will be N1 L1 by L2, its dimension is 1, and T1 by T2, dimension is minus 2. Now putting the value of N1, it is your 9.8, L1 is your meter, L2 is your centimeter, T1 is second, T2 is your minute, power minus 2. After solving, you will convert one types of unit, meter 100 centimeter, it is your centimeter, second by 60 second, 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Now cancel second to second, centimeter to centimeter, you will get 9.8 into 100 into 60 into 60. Then after you will get the value of G, numeric value of G in term of N2. After solving this value, you can get required result. Okay, for homework, you will write a question. A car is moving with a speed of 40 km per second. If you want to measure distance in meter and time in minute, then what is the numeric value of car speed? Okay. Second question will be write down. A car is accelerating with the acceleration 5 meter per second square. If you want to measure distance in centimeter and time in minute, then find out numeric value of acceleration. Thank you.